guys, I know it's windy, I apologize for that. But it's the first nice day we've had in a long time. And I'm hoping this winter's over. It's been a long winter. I got a request to do a farm tour. I'm gonna try to get out of the wind here so I'm not blowing in the mic. Got a request to do a farm tour, and well, here it is. Clearfield County, Pennsylvania. About 100 and, well, there's more than 100 tillable acres on this farm. We don't have any cattle or animals here yet. I had 5 pigs over the winter. We have some fence repair to do before we get any animals, but and some other things to do. Lots of things to do. Anyway, yeah, hopefully get some animals by summer at least, when the grass is on. And well, here's the beef barn. Focus. Okay. Here's the beef barn. There's a 40-20. We had some hay stacked in here. Just had a building, so got to stack some hay inside. That's our Mack hay wagon rake. But our hopes are to put a H bunk from this edge of this doorway down to the edge on that side, and load a self-unloading wagon up, and then unload into the H bunk to feed the animals. We'll have it open on, we're hoping to have it open on each side, and so the cows can get on both sides of it, and then we'll close it off when we need to feed, and so on. That down there, it's not our case, just so you guys know. It's not our tractor. We had a case, it was a 2294, ended up being nothing but problems. When we got rid of that thing, it was like the best day ever. We were so excited. And, that's the story on the case. I got a little bit of video when that left. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Just a short little bit, but if you guys want to see it, I'll put it up. I'm gonna head up over here to the bank barn, and there's a little shed in here, and there's a corral system. Oh, real quick, previous owner paved these sliding doors shut. We managed to get that last one open, but why you would pave them shut, why you would spend the money to put the building there and then pave the doors shut, I don't know. Anyway, in here, there's the shed here, there's a pen back here. I think someone may have had horses here or something at some point. I'll take you in here. It looks like they have a corral system set up inside the barn here, along with some other pens. And the owner, before the previous owner, I believe, milked cows here, and there's places where they would have had the stanchions. There's a row here in this pen. And there's a row that goes along that wall there. And I thought we found some more somewhere. Might be another out there in that first pen or shed there. But here's the alleyway for the corral system. We had some boards there and stuff set up so we could corral the pigs when we sent them to the butcher. I had 5 pigs. I don't know if I said that already or not. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna put a headlock there. And they have these slats built in here between the walls, and you just take these boards and slide them in. Kind of stop the cattle. That's interesting. I never saw something like that. But Yeah, looks like you corral them in through here and down the alleyway. That's the bank barn pretty much. There's an upstairs, and I'll show you guys that real quick, but there's a lot of cleaning up to do up there, so I don't want you guys thinking that we're the ones that made the mess. Lights. Back out into the wind. Here's the old milk house. I'm trying to get my brother to let me. Well, trying to get my brother to start milking again. We sold the dairy cows in 03, and I was the person milking. Here's the milk house of this farm. I was the person milking when the cows left. My brother got sick. His appendix burst or had to be taken out. Oh, that's loud. And Dad was sick at the same time, and so me, 9th grader, milking the cows by myself. And that's not something I had done before. I never really milked the cows much before that. But yeah, that was my trial by fire. I had all my buddies come over and help me milk the cows. And the bank barn here, or the top portion here. There's some beams broken, need repaired, and a lot of cleaning up to do in here. It's nice. It's wide enough in here that you can back two of those big wagons in beside each other, even with the flare on the top there. You get both wagons in there beside each other. Neat how there's like alleyways and cubby holes and stuff in here. It's interesting. I kind of wonder what the past owner was using everything for. If it was just, certainly he didn't have. There'd be a pile of square bills stacking here. Small, you mean? I mean, that's interesting stuff back here. Anyway, that's the bank barn. I think I got off subject. I was talking about cows and getting back in the dairy business. There's a dead bird. Getting back into the dairy business. I'd like to. Trying to get my brother talked into it. Told him I'd milk the weekdays if he'd milk the weekends. I'd like to do seasonal milking. I don't think that would bother me as much. But with beef at both farms, it'd be kind of difficult. Excuse me. Difficult. You guys have been in here. There's a 3010. I'm waiting for some warm weather to thaw out the water line so I can pressure wash that off and get it, sandblast some stuff and grind some stuff down, then get it painted. There's a 4440. It's running now. I have a video up going up with that pretty quick. Yeah, you guys aren't. Yeah, there's another video about the 4440. There's a forage harvester there. Neighbor's Alice Chalmers 170. I rewired that. That's a pretty neat little tractor. That they're not the original owner, but they have the manual that came with it that was given to the original owner. This was bought in 1973. It was sold from Daughter Equipment. And I think the Mill Hall there. Mill Hall, yeah. Get off the Lamar exit and off 80 and you roll up there. Yeah, Mill Hall, yeah. Anyway, 73, Daughter Equipment sold it to a man in Bellefonte. Interesting. But that's not our grain drill. But the other equipment is, that's ours. Anyway, thanks for watching. Here's the farm. And yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I enjoy doing these videos. If I keep getting subscribers and likes and stuff like that, I'll keep it up. So, yeah, thanks for watching.